gonna pick and gut this American Lock 5200. I'm just trying to get a feel for where I am. There we go. Open. Alright, let's get this out the vise and gut it. The vise back here. I'll angle this camera down a bit. That's decent framing. Maybe a little bit more this way. Sorry, just trying to get a nice shot for you. Alright, so first things first. Get the screw out, just a Phillips. Retaining plate, screw, and your core. Set the body aside. Alright, so I don't have a follower, so what I'm going to be using is the key to get these key pins out. Alright, just gotta turn it all the way upside down. Pin 1. So they're all serrated, you know, because American Lock. 1. Pin 2. Pin 3. Pin 4. Pin 5. Alright, now to get these other pins out, I'm going to keep the key in. Gonna swap out the tip to a blade, or not blade, you know, standard head screwdriver. Get this C-clip out the way. Let's get this in a vise, I suppose. I'm just having trouble with this right now. Of all the things to have trouble with. I got this like 4 times, no problem earlier today. I don't know what's wrong with me. As soon as I get a good pick, I get a bad gutting. There we go, key's out. C-clip is off though. Alright, so then what I was going to do, put the key back in, keep these in order, turn her sideways like this, and take these out one at a time with some, I don't actually need the key in anymore, do I? Get you a little, there's your first driver. They're all just standard American serrated drivers. Four and 5 just popped out at once. Gets everything gutted and apart. You zoom in on these pins. My camera's in a mount, so it's a bit hard to get a decent shot. But you can see all these all these American Lock pins. Oh, a couple fell off, but 2 drivers and a. No, it wasn't 2 drivers. That was. There we go. 2 keys and a driver. Anyways, let's get reassembling here. What I'm gonna do first is put this, let's angle it up. Put your lock Bible and everything up here. Grab your pins, just start going at them. Make sure that the Right side is up. That was not the right side up. Let me... That was good. Next driver. Next driver. Sit up. Sit up straight in there, buddy. There we go. Next one. No. Ah, man. Squeezed its way out the vise, I guess. You probably saw that happen and I didn't. Let's put this deeper in here then. Alright. Luckily drivers don't matter which one is which, at least on this one. They're all just serrated. Let's go back to front. Sit up nicely. And the final driver pin. Alright, now let's grab the core. I want to go this way. Gonna want to move this up just a slight bit. Please don't go flying out. Please. There we go. C-clip. Let's grab that wherever I put it. Where did it go? I'm sure the camera can probably see it in frame and I look dumb. Did it fall on the ground? Where'd the C-clip go? A little flashlight here. Where did everything go? What? Did it fall on the ground? Was it on the vise or like in here? Where? What? Bet you might be under the paper. There it is. Yep, right under the paper. Alright. Let's put that on. Now let's put a key in here. Rotate around so that it sits about like this. And then start putting the pins back in, put the whole thing back together. Right, pin 1. Pin 2. 3. 4. And pin 5. Back in place, works nicely. Alright, now let's grab the lock body. Move the actuator to the locked position. Core. Set it in. Got your retaining, face retainer plate, whatever you want to call it. Key. Open it. Swap out the bit on your screwdriver while you're holding a fragile assembly in your other hand. There you go. Picked and gutted. All in not even 12 minutes. Awesome. That is by far the best take. We'll roll with that one. Alright, have a nice day, guys.